One other secondary use case that we've used it for is when you look at our transmission system, we've monitored just about every major component: batteries, circuit breakers, transformers, CCVTs, all the way down the line. And we do that monitoring so that we can reduce maintenance and so that we can make better asset replacement decisions. We've really never had good data coming from conductors. And so that's somewhat of like our secondary use case for DLR is it's a data set that we've taken and we've combined with our protective relay data set of like how many faults that line has seen, etc. Conductors is obviously a very long-lived asset. So when you're going to replace it, it's like, could it last 70 years? Could it last 100 years? What is it? When you have data to back up your decisions, it makes it that you're not going to unnecessarily spend and that you invest at the right time. And so that has been a secondary use case for it, is basically conductor monitoring when combined with relay data.